Hey guys, it's Charlotte here from charlotteohara.ca, and in today's video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add and style a pop-up on your Squarespace website. So love them or hate them, pop-ups are here to stay, and that's because they're just so effective. Like, you really can't lie with the data and the numbers that pop-ups work. They're basically the strongest call to action you can add to your website, and so if you choose to use one, you will see great results and really high conversions from them. And I want to say that pop-ups have come a really long way in recent years as website design has, completely changed and improved. And Squarespace in particular does a really wonderful job of letting you customize the pop-up that you choose to use on their sites. And they make sure that you can do that by fully styling and formatting the pop-up in a way that works best for you. And they also give you so many choices of ways that you can brand it so that it's completely seamless with the rest of your website. So if pop-ups have been something you're interested in adding to your Squarespace website, you've come to the right place, and I'm going to show you exactly how to get those up and running. All right, so now let's take a look here. So I have created a demo website using the Raleigh template, and I'm going to show you how to get this Squarespace pop-ups going. All right, so once you're logged in on the back end here, you're going to go and click Marketing. Go down to the bottom where it says Promotional Pop-up. And then this is where all of your different pop-ups are. So first thing you're going to want to do is click this little toggle button here, and that's going to enable pop-ups on your website. So when it's off like that, then you're not going to see them, but if it's green, then they're good to go. Okay, first thing we're going to do is look at the layout. So we're going to click on here, and I'm going to give you a quick walkthrough. Oops. So, all right, so we've got the layouts here. So you can see that the default one is the first one on it, but you've got tons of different options of layouts that you might want to do for your pop-up. So whether that's, smaller ones that just take up a section of the page, or bigger ones like you have down here at the bottom where it just takes up the full size of the screen. So whichever one you want to do, just select it and you're good to go. So then we're going to go back to promotional pop-ups. And the next point is our action section. So with promotional pop-ups on a Squarespace website, you can choose between signing up for a newsletter, which is great if you want to grow your email list, or clicking a button. And clicking a button is really good if you want to send people to different parts of your website, whether it's like, maybe products or particular content like your blog or, a new page, whatever it is. So you just select between those. So first off, I'll go through sign up for a newsletter really quickly. So, the whole thing here is you want to collect emails. So you can choose your storage option, whether that's through MailChimp or Google Drive. You also have the option to switch out the submit button label. So maybe you want to say like, I want in. And you can add that. You'll see the changes there. We respect your privacy. You can switch that out. Maybe spam sucks. Something like that. Post submit message, HTML section, all of that good stuff. The other option you have is whether you want to click a button. And so in this case, we've got a link label here, so like read the blog, let's say. So you've got a button there, and you can just click to add through the URL, whether it's the URL or you select a page or whatever it is. And as you can see, you can add up to 2 different buttons. So read the blog, shop products, let's say. So this is what it would look like if you go down that route. Okay, so once you've got that section set up, we go back here, and now we're going to fill out the content. So in here, we're looking at branding and text. So it's pretty self-explanatory with the headline, join our mailing list. You could say whatever you want. And then you've got the body section that you'll fill out here. And one caution is you do not want to add too much content on the body section, because for one thing, if you have too much, it'll make a little scroll button happen on the side, and that's really bad, especially if people are viewing the pop-up on a mobile device or their phone. So keep it short and sweet and you'll be good to go. Okay, once that's done, you can go back. And then our next section is display and timing. So here we go, we're showing the different ways that the pop-up is actually going to appear on the website and how frequently that's happening. So you can choose whether the pop-up shows up on any first page, so if it's a home page or another one, or only on certain pages. So you can select that, and it might change things up a little bit here. You also can select the timing, so whether it's a timer or on a scroll or a combination of the two. You also have different options as well, so whether it's right away or a little bit delayed. And then the frequency is how often the visitor is going to see that pop up, so whether it shows up again like in different timelines and stuff. You can also select here or unselect don't show again after newsletter sign up. So that might be really a helpful thing so that you're not, like collecting the same email over and over again and annoying people. And then whether or not you want to show pop-ups on mobile or not. So if you want pop-ups to show up only on desktop, then you would unselect that. And then finally, there's a reset that you can click to, which will bring everything for the visitors the next time that they visit. Okay, then let's go back and I'm going to walk you through the last one, which is style. So this is really the good stuff where you can fully make sure that the styling is customized. So you've got choices about the different fonts, the colors. You can also select like the background color here. So maybe instead of that, you want like a nice purple color or something. You can select that, and that's going to show the background there. Color behind the text. You can switch around as well, like the button style. So maybe you want, like an outlined one or something. You can switch up the coloring. So many different options here. So just go through them, play around, and select whatever works best for you. And then once you're done, all you're going to do is click Save, and you will see those changes applied to your website. Alright, so thank you so much for watching this video tutorial. If you liked it, be sure to give it a thumbs up or hit the subscribe button or leave me a comment down below. I also have a free email course called Launch Your Best Site, which I've linked to down below in the video description. And that free email course is all about how to build and launch a Squarespace website. So be sure to sign up for it and get cracking on your brand new Squarespace website if that's something you're interested in learning all about. Also, be sure to take a look at the other video tutorials here on my YouTube channel, or head over to my website, which is charlotteohara.ca, and I've got tons more content there on the blog and on my YouTube channel, and it's all about Squarespace, SEO, website design and development, and how to run an online business. So head on over there either to my YouTube channel to browse the other videos, or over to my website to read the articles on the blog for lots more information. So thanks again for watching, and I hope you have so much fun playing around with pop-ups on your Squarespace website. Bye now!